We all take a break from our bodies, right? When we go out for a jog or a run, we know when to stop so that our body doesn't get exhausted. But do we do the same for our brains? Do we do that so that we don't get mentally exhausted? Do we follow a certain criteria, a strict criteria for that? I don't think so. We only get to know that we're mentally exhausted when we go to a doctor and she tells us that all these physical symptoms, maybe your gastric problems or something else, is there because of your exhaustion, your burnout, and that is when we realize that we are stressing too much or that it's getting too much for our mental health. So let's learn in this video how to do a mental detox, and I'm Carlo, Mental Health and Happiness Manager at SharpTalk. Please like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. So the first step is cleanse yourself and your space. This is an extremely crucial step, and you can just start by cleansing your space where you live and you sleep. And the first and the foremost thing is you should clear out the things that you don't need anymore or you don't use anymore, because they are blocking your space for welcoming new things. Second is cleanse yourself, and you will feel instantly relaxed. And how you can do that? You can simply do that by taking a rock salt bath, or washing your hair, or just scrubbing your body, thinking that you're scrubbing the negative energies off your body that you might have attracted during the day, and you will feel better. Second is sit with yourself, put some warm lights on, put some soft music on, use some scents, use some aroma. Awaken your senses and set the kind of mood in the room, and then think about the things that you're grateful for, things that you have accomplished, the challenges you have overcome, and your accomplishments and your hard work. When you sit and think about it in that setup, you'll instantly find peace within. Thirdly, spend time with nature. Get outside, get outdoor, get connected with nature, because that is what our true selves are. That is where we were truly born from, Mother Nature. Get out in a simple, quiet place where there's a right amount of silence, where you feel, or there's just an inner connection that we feel with the nature. And when you reach that state or that place, just observe the birds, just observe the leaves moving. Just feel a sense of communication between you and the trees or the nature. I truly feel it, because we live in a world filled with technology, in our houses with our phones, in our offices in front of screens, away from nature, away from our true essence. So if you are really looking for a mental detox, get away from the technology and get near with the nature, because that is extremely important. Thank you.